हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आशा करता हूँ कि आप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे और मेरे वीडियोस देख रहे होंगे। आज मैं एक नया वीडियो लेके आया हूँ जो कि मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है उन लोगों के लिए जो पीएचडी कर रहे हैं और पीएचडी में रिसर्च पेपर लिखना चाहते हैं। तो मैं आज का वीडियो बिना किसी देरी के स्टार्ट करता हूँ कि हाउ टू राइट अ गुड रिसर्च पेपर फॉर पीएचडी। First point which we should as a PhD scholar should keep in mind is that we should always be studying. Yes, we should always be studying the past research papers for the work which is done similar to our question or our area, which will help us to grow and to decide that what we are trying to find out, what is our main motive of writing a research paper as well as for the study. Because papers are many, but we need to find out the pointers for which we are looking for. Second, know your question. Yes, we should always be aware that which problem we are solving. As a research scholar, we should always decide that what are my areas or what are the problems which I see in any situation and which are the problems which I want to solve for the greater benefit of all the society on a larger benefit. So we should always know our question. We should always decide a deadline for our research work completion. We should, if I go into detail, like we should always decide our research methodology, our aims and objectives, our hypothesis also for writing the research paper. Third point, whenever we decide to write down or pen down our own papers, we should always make it presentable, which can be done by saying very many various data in the form of charts and figures for better presentation and more impactful of the presentation. Fourth point is that we should always check out for plagiarism. Yes, plagiarism is the major issue nowadays because informations are many and we should always try to check for plagiarism that it is proper or not, and we should try to minimize it by using synonymous words or phrases so that we are also saying the same thing, but it should not be caught up in plagiarism. Fifth point is that we should always be in the confidence of our guide. Our guide has read and approved our research paper so that we can send it for further study and as well as for the further benefit. Sixth point is that we should always mention the research papers or the works which we have cited for writing down this research paper. Seventh point and the last point is that we should always search for genuine journal publications and in which we can send our paper for publishing, because nowadays what is happening is that there are journal publications many, but which of them sometimes get listed on the UGC approved list and then in the next one they are not in the list. So we should always keep a check on proper genuine journal publications. With these words, I would like to end my video. Thank you.